Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a remote desktop connection shortcut in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to create remote desktop connection shortcut, just you have to follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on start. Now here type remote. So guys, you will see remote desktop connections. Just click on open file location. Now right click on this remote desktop connection, then click on this copy. By also can use keyboard Control plus C. So copy it. Now close it and paste on your desktop. Yes, so we have this now remote desktop connection shortcut. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and by these simple and easy steps we can know how to create remote desktop connection shortcut in Windows 11 or 10. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.